Hey there, gardening enthusiast! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonderful world of plants and their incredible benefits. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 plants you need in your garden to help detoxify your liver. These plants are not only easy to grow, but also offer a multitude of health benefits that can significantly improve your well-being. These plants not only add beauty to your space, but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So let's get started and explore these amazing liver-friendly plants. First up is milk thistle. This plant has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. This plant is a powerhouse when it comes to liver health. Its vibrant purple flowers and spiky leaves make it a striking addition to any garden. The seeds contain silymarin, a compound known to protect liver cells from toxins and promote regeneration. Silymarin is also known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a comprehensive liver protector. Plus, milk thistle is super easy to grow. It's a hardy plant that doesn't require much maintenance. Just plant it in well-drained soil and watch it thrive. It can tolerate a variety of soil conditions, making it perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. Next on the list is dandelion. Often overlooked as a mere weed, this plant is a hidden gem for liver health. I know, most people think of it as a pesky weed, but once you learn about its benefits, you might start seeing it in a whole new light. But dandelions are actually great for your liver. Every part of the dandelion from root to flower is edible and packed with nutrients. They stimulate bile production, which helps detoxify the liver and improve digestion. Dandelions are also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Dandelions are resilient and can grow just about anywhere in your garden. Third, we have turmeric. This vibrant yellow-orange root is a staple in many cuisines and has powerful medicinal properties. This golden spice is more than just a kitchen staple. It's revered in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to improve liver function and protect against liver damage. It's been shown to improve liver function and protect against liver damage. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help reduce inflammation and support overall liver health. Grow it in a sunny spot with well-drained soil and you'll have fresh turmeric year-round. It's a versatile plant that can be used in a variety of dishes, from curries to teas. Moving on to our fourth plant, artichoke. This unique plant is not only delicious but also packed with liver-boosting benefits. Yep, you heard that right. Artichokes are a fantastic addition to your garden and your diet. Artichokes are not only delicious but also fantastic for liver health. They are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which support overall digestive health. They contain cynarin, which helps increase bile production and supports liver detoxification. Cynarin also aids in reducing cholesterol levels, making artichokes a heart-healthy choice as well. Artichokes need full sun and fertile soil to grow well, so keep that in mind when planting. They can be a bit more demanding, but the health benefits are well worth the effort. Last but not least, we have garlic. This humble bulb is a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for the liver. This kitchen staple is a liver superfood. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and is known for its ability to boost the immune system. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins and contains allicin and selenium, which protect the liver from damage. These compounds also have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making garlic a great addition to your diet. Growing garlic is a breeze. Plant the cloves in the fall, and by summer, you'll have plenty to harvest. It's a low-maintenance plant that can thrive in various soil conditions. So there you have it, 5 amazing plants that can help detoxify your liver and add some serious benefits to your garden. Incorporating these plants into your garden can provide you with fresh, organic options to support your liver health. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional before using any plant medicinally. It's important to ensure that these plants are suitable for your individual health needs. Happy gardening, and here's to your health. Enjoy the process of growing these beneficial plants and reaping their health rewards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to help you on your gardening journey. See you in the next one. Until then, keep your garden growing and your liver glowing.